Myself Professor Khemlar MS from Arsun Technical Campus in MBA Department, CAS, Ahmednagar. Okay, MBA first year. Today we will discuss the first lecture in managerial accounting. So the course code 101 managerial accounting. So first one syllabus in managerial accounting. First unit is basic concepts in managerial accounting. Second, financial statement. Third, cost accounting. And fourth, short-term business decision and techniques. And fifth, exercising control. This is a 5 minutes in semester first in managerial accounting. So first one is basic concept. Show the basic concept. In this unit, form of business organization. First topic, first form of business organization. Form of business organization. Business organization. So the form of business organization in this unit, meaning and importance of accounting in business organization and basic concept of term used in accounting, capital and revenue expenditures and capital and revenue receipts and user of accounting informations, accounting concept and conversions, fundamental accounting equations and journal, ledgers and trial balance. This is a journal, ledger and trial balance. This is a basic concept in managerial accounting. So already journal, ledgers and trial balance. This is 11th and 12th accounting, the basic concept. This is the starting point, journal, ledger and trial balance. In this topic, show the first one, basic concept. In this unit, basic concept, show the form of business organizations. This is form of business organizations. Show the accounting may be described in the language of business that can provide a partial history of activities of the particular business house. Show the business house in any organizations, institute and market, anyone place the managerial accounting. This is the basic point and basic concept. This is the managerial accounting. Particular business house, a history in which the recorded facts are generally expressed in terms of monetary units. So accounting is the art and science of recording and summarizing business transaction. Accounting, this is accounting means accounting. This is the art and science. Accounting, this is the art and science. This is art as well as art and science. Art and accounting, this is the basic concept in managerial accounting. So the first one, accounting is as well as art and as well as science. This is a recording in any business transactions, any organization's transaction, any institution's transaction. This is a money transaction recording. This is a accounting. And important service activities in business and the concern with the collecting, recording and evaluating the communicating the result of past event. So the accounting transaction is a collecting data, evaluate and express in all data the past result. Next one is accounting concerns that part of accounting is the mean to serve all parties, external and internal, to the operating responsibilities of the firm, creditors, first one creditors, investor, debtors and employee regulatory bodies of general public. So at the introductory stage, accounting deals with the basic subject of bookkeeping, accounting and accountancy. Accounting the basic subject collections of business rules and analytic which express business decision. In this topic, collection the business rule, collection the business rules and analytical these rules. Collection the business rules and this rule analytical these rules. This is a business decision which is expressed and help a automated and operational choice of important of your business. By business decision we mean operational business decision. It is a thought process of selecting a logical choice from the available options. When trying to make a good decision, a decision maker must weigh the positive and negative of each option and consider all the alternatives. This business decision collection the rules and analytical rules. This data decide on this is the business decision positive or negative. Okay, and next one, positive or negative. When trying to make a good decision, a decision makers must weigh the positive and negative of each option and consider all alternative. The business rule. So the decision management, also known as the business decision management, analytic all aspect of design, building and managing automated decision making system that all organizations use to manage the interactions with customer, employee and supplier. Managing interacting to business customers, supplier, suppliers and employees. This is the managing interacting. So the next one, before knowing the rules of management accounting in the decision making area, in the first necessary to understand decision making process. The decision making process include the step. Show the decision making process. Decision making process. Show the decision making process. First step in decision making process, identifying a problem requiring managerial actions. First step is identifying problem requiring managerial actions. Identifying problem requiring managerial actions. Managerial action. This is the first step in business decision. Second step, specifying the objective or goal to be achieved. Second step, specifying the objective or goal. Specifying the objective specifying the objective or goal to be achieved or goal to listing the possible alternative course of actions. Listing the possible alternative goal or goals or actions. Show the specifying the objective. Any organization, institutions, and marketplace. This is a deciding already goal and objective. Show the specifying the objective or goal to the achieve. This is a target is the in last listing the possible alternative goals or actions. This is a business decision. This is the number third, and this is the number fourth. Show the decision number four. Gathering the information about the consequence of each alternative. Gathering the information. Gathering the information about the consequence of each alternative. About the consequence of each alternative. This is a decision process. Step number 4, gathering the information about the consequence of each alternative and making a decision of selecting of the alternative. Last topic, making a decision by selecting one of the alternative. This is today's lecture is over, and next point discussing next lectures.